Welcome to News Nexus, where we explore the most pressing topics in the world of finance, economics, and technology. Today, we're diving deep into a subject that is reshaping the future of global finance. From gold to Bitcoin, the new global currency war. For over a century, gold has served as the cornerstone of global finance. But with the rise of digital currencies, a new kind of currency war is emerging. Can Bitcoin replace gold as the global standard, or is it just another passing trend in financial history? Let's explore. Gold has been a store of value for thousands of years. From ancient civilizations to the modern age, it has symbolized wealth, security, and stability. In the 19th century, many nations adopted the gold standard, tying their currencies directly to gold. This limited how much money could be printed and provided a strong foundation of trust and economic discipline. That changed in 1971 when the United States officially abandoned the gold standard. The global economy transitioned to fiat currencies, money backed not by physical commodities but by trust in governments and their economic power. Despite this shift, gold retained its status as a safe haven. Investors, hedge funds, and central banks still rely on gold during times of inflation, market uncertainty, and geopolitical tension. But today, in the digital age, a new form of money is entering the global financial arena. It's called Bitcoin, and it's challenging the traditional order. Bitcoin was introduced in 2008 by an anonymous creator known as Satoshi Nakamoto. It was proposed as a decentralized digital currency, free from the control of governments or central banks. This was a radical idea, a financial system based on cryptographic proof rather than institutional trust. Bitcoin operates on blockchain technology, a transparent, secure, and tamper-proof public ledger. Unlike traditional currencies that can be endlessly printed, Bitcoin has a fixed supply of just 21 million coins, creating built-in scarcity. Over the last decade, Bitcoin has grown from a fringe experiment into a legitimate asset class. Its price has skyrocketed. Adoption has increased. Major institutions and corporations like Tesla, Square, and traditional banks have added Bitcoin to their portfolios. Many now refer to Bitcoin as digital gold, a modern store of value for a digital economy. It's borderless, decentralized, and resistant to manipulation, making it especially attractive in countries experiencing inflation, currency devaluation, or political instability. But as Bitcoin's popularity grows, global powers are taking notice. A new battle is underway, the digital currency race. Unlike Bitcoin, which is decentralized, governments are launching their own digital currencies, central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. These are digital versions of national currencies, backed and controlled by central banks. China has already rolled out its digital yuan in pilot programs across multiple cities. The United States is actively researching a digital dollar. Europe is evaluating a digital euro. India, Brazil, Sweden, and others are also exploring CBDCs. The motivations are clear. CBDCs offer governments more control over monetary policy, better tracking of transactions, and potentially faster, cheaper payments. But they also raise concerns. Privacy, surveillance, and financial freedom are all at stake. So where does that leave Bitcoin? Bitcoin remains unique because it operates independently of any government or central authority. It's powered by a global network, and its core rules are enforced by code, not by politics. This makes it resilient and borderless, qualities many view as essential in a digital future. Still, Bitcoin faces challenges. It's highly volatile, with dramatic price swings in short periods. It's not yet widely accepted as a mainstream payment method, and it's facing increasing regulatory scrutiny from governments wary of losing control over monetary systems. There's also the environmental impact. Bitcoin mining consumes substantial amounts of energy, sparking criticism about its sustainability. Though greener solutions are emerging, the debate continues. So, the central question, can Bitcoin replace gold? Gold is time-tested. It's tangible, scarce, and universally recognized. It doesn't depend on electricity or the internet. It's stable but not easily portable or divisible. Bitcoin, in contrast, is the product of a digital world. It's programmable, easily transferable, and appealing to a new generation of tech-savvy investors. But it's also more volatile and less understood by traditional institutions. Each has strengths and weaknesses. One is ancient and proven, the other is new and disruptive. And that brings us to the heart of the new global currency war. This isn't merely a contest between gold and Bitcoin, it's a battle between old systems and emerging technologies, between centralized control and decentralized freedom, between tangible assets and digital innovation. Money itself is being reimagined, and with that, the very concept of value is being transformed. Governments are trying to keep pace. Some are embracing blockchain, others are imposing strict regulations. A few may even adopt Bitcoin as legal tender, others may ban it outright. But one thing is certain, the debate is no longer theoretical, it's happening now. So what does the future hold? We're likely heading into a multi-currency world, a global economy where Bitcoin, gold, CBDCs, and fiat currencies coexist. Each will play its own role. Gold may remain a reserve asset. CBDCs may become the standard for daily transactions. Bitcoin could emerge as a new kind of global reserve, offering a digital hedge in times of uncertainty. The winners of this new financial era may not be those with the most power, but those who adapt fastest. Understanding these shifts, preparing for them, and navigating this new landscape will be crucial for individuals and nations alike. We are witnessing the start of a historic transformation. The future of money is being rewritten. And whether you invest in gold, Bitcoin, or both, one thing is clear: the rules of the game are changing. Thank you for watching News Nexus. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Do you believe Bitcoin is the new gold, or is the world not ready to move beyond the old guard? Until next time, stay informed, stay curious, and keep questioning the world around you.